So, you have built a great looking Shopify store. You have great products to sell, and you're ready to mark the world. Unfortunately, you realize that you get lots of traffic and no sales. You are barely profitable. You try hard to find solutions, but there is too much irrelevant information out there. You feel that advertising is too complex, so you think of hiring a marketing agency. Never mind. Instead, imagine hiring the best digital marketing agency at the price of software. That's Mark. 100 times more efficient at a fraction of the cost. Here is how it works. First, connect Mark to your Shopify store. Then, ask Mark to generate an audit at the click of a button. Finally, follow his step-by-step tailored recommendations to grow your store to the next level. Don't let your competitors leave you behind. Join the future now. Install Mark on the Shopify App Store and start your free trial today.